You ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tyre? Well, I have. I'm Jason from Student Edge, and this is what I wish I knew how to change a flat tyre. Let's go. Don't forget, turn on your hazard lights. Changing a tyre is messy work, so grab a pair of gloves if you have them. Next, you'll need some tools. Open up the back, grab the tool bag, and your jack. Don't forget you're also going to need the spare tyre. Next, you need to find the jacking point. It's usually a flat spot under the car that's reinforced. Have a look in your owner's manual and it should tell you where to find it. On some new cars, the jacking point is located on the rocker panel, which is the structural strip underneath the car. Usually be two little wedge cutouts that show you where the jack should go. The next step is to slightly lift the car, just so you have the jack in the right position and it's taking some of the load. Now, before lifting the car completely, loosen the lug nuts while the wheel is still on the ground, just enough to break the tension. Now it's time to slowly raise the car until the flat tyre is just off the ground. Take off the loosened lug nuts and remove the tyre. You might need the tyre iron again to get them off if they're stuck. Keep the lug nuts somewhere safe. They have a tendency to roll away. You might need to wiggle the tyre a little bit to get it off. Now wheel it somewhere safe, don't forget to lie it down so it doesn't roll away. Now line up your spare tyre, put it on and screw the nuts back on by hand. Remember, most spare tyres are temporary. You can only drive a certain distance and at a certain speed with them on. Now gently lower the car. Now tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern to keep everything squared. Then give each nut a good tighten with a tyre iron. Again, don't forget to go in a crisscross pattern. Now you're done. Collect everything and pop all your tools back in the boot. Don't forget the flat tyre. And remember, spares aren't meant for long trips. Get it fixed as soon as possible. You did it. Good job. Now remember, if you're unsure, give a family member or a friend a call to give you a hand. Or even better, if you have roadside assistance, give them a call and they'll come and help you out. Good luck.